Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Exercise 9.1, question number 3. Question number 3 is add the following. The polynomials are given to us. We are to add them. Or we can say that the algebraic expressions are given to us. We are to add them. Here the first part is AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. Now we will arrange them according to the like terms. Here I will write AB minus BC. I will use column method to add these terms. Here the next one is BC minus CA. BC is the like term of this one. So I will write here BC as this is having positive sign. So I will put here positive sign minus CA. Next one is CA minus AB. CA is the like term of this one term. So CA minus AB. I will write it under AB. Now add them as here this is plus AB. This is minus AB. So they will cancel each other. Similarly minus BC and plus BC will cancel each other. And minus CA plus CA cancel each other, and finally the answer will be 0. Next part is A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, C minus A plus AC. Now again we will arrange the terms. Firstly in addition or in subtraction. Firstly we are to arrange the like terms, only then we can add them. So here the first expression is A minus B plus AB. First expression we will write as it is given in the question. Afterwards we will arrange the like terms accordingly. As this is B minus C, B is here, so I will write under it. But C is not anywhere, so I will write it aside. Minus C, similarly plus BC. Now the next expression is C, so it will be fall under this C, and A, I will write here minus A. Always the sign of the term is on its left side, as here is A, on its left side it is minus, plus AC. In these terms there is no AC, so I will write it aside. Now this A is of positive sign and this A is of negative sign, so they will cancel each other. Similarly B and B cancelled, C and C cancelled. So the answer is AB plus BC plus AC. The remaining terms will be the answer of the question. Next part is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Next is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Firstly, we will write the first expression 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Now we will arrange the second expression according to the first expression terms. Here I have 5. I will write it under 4. Next is 7pq, so it will be written under minus 3pq as it is the like term of this one. And minus 3p square q square will be written under 2p square q square. Now as we have arranged all the like terms, now we will do the simplification. Here I have plus 2p square minus 3p square q square. So 2 is of positive sign and 3 is of negative sign. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 p square q square. We can simply write it as minus p square q square. Now here minus 3 plus 7, it is plus 4 pq. Here plus 4 plus 5 is plus 9. So the answer is minus 1 p square q square plus 4 pq plus 9. Next is fourth part, L square plus M square plus N square plus L square, 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Now firstly we will write them in the column method. L square plus m square. Next one is m square plus n square. M square plus n square. Square is also positive sign. Here plus n square plus L square is under L square. So here I will write it. Now the next one is 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Now no term among these terms like these terms, so I will put these terms aside. 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Now add the like terms. L square plus L square is 2L square. M square plus M square is 2M square. N square plus N square is 2N square. And these terms we will write as it is plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl, which is the required answer. Next is question number 4, part A. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. We are to subtract this expression from the second one expression. So firstly I will write down the expression after the from. That is the second one expression. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now write the first one expression. The terms are already arranged. So this is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now as we are to do the subtraction, so firstly we will change the signs of this expression, this whole expression. That is the sign of all the terms of this expression. Here 4 is of plus sign, so I will change it as a negative. Here it is negative, so it is positive, negative and negative. The terms which are positives, they will change to the negative, and the terms which are in negative sign, they will be changed to the positive. So here we have changed the sign as well as we have arranged all the like terms. Now we will do the simplification. 12 minus 4 is 8a minus 9ab plus 7ab minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2ab plus 5b minus 3b plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2b minus 3 minus 12, so it is minus 15. 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15 is the required answer. Next is subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now again we will write down the expression written after from. So right here 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now arrange the like terms. 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Now we have arranged the like terms. Now we will change the sign as we are to do the subtraction. 3 is of positive sign, so it will become negative. Similarly, this term will become negative and this term will become positive. Now 5xy minus 3xy. 5 minus 3 is 2, so it is 2xy. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7yz. Minus 2zx plus 7zx. Minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5zx plus 10xy. Z is the answer. Next one is subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now let us write down the expression. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now arrange the like terms. Here I have 4p square q, so I will write it here plus 4p square q, then minus 3pq, it will be written here minus 3pq plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. We will write the terms according to the like terms. Now we have arranged the like terms. Now we will change the sign. All the negatives will change to the positive. So this is plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Now 18 plus 10 is 28. Minus 3p plus 8p. 8 minus 3 is 5. So plus 5p. Minus 11q minus 7q. Minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18q. Plus 5pq plus 3pq. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8pq. Minus 2pq square minus 5pq square. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7p q square plus 5p square q minus 4p square q. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1p square q. This 1p square q can be written as p square q. So students, this is all about exercise 9.1 question number 3 and 4. Thank you.